a burning furnace. I see the hearts of men. I see incense rise and fill his chambers. I hear the worship of men. Men who understand that true worship transcends beyond the melodious procession of rhythm and beat, but it is the delicate love response to a God who first dedicated his love to us. You see, when you worship God with all that you have and all that you are, he understands the fragility of your bended knees, the humility of your bowed heart, radicality of prostration by those who discern that true worship is unbended alignment to divine assignment. The true worship is unbroken intimacy with supremacy. The true worship is utter surrender to a God who is a wonder. A God who is a wonder. Unlike thunder, the groanings of saints shake the core of the earth. What a mystery. What a mystery. Oh, Shareta. But you see, through the device of spiritual intelligence, we derive interpretations of their meditations that reverberate worship. True worship, good worship, sweet worship, sacrificial worship. Will you worship? So saints in the house, today, just like the rest of the days of our lives, with no composure whatsoever, we rise and take on the posture of true worshipers. True worshipers. And like fire, let our corporate worship burn higher in this room today. As we call him Yahweh, I am that I am, the impassionate God, the compassionate God, the sovereign God, the holy God, good God, ancient God. You see, he's your healer, redeemer, sustainer, reviver, refiner, provider, protector, deliverer, lover, 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 lover of your souls. Father, he is Yahweh.
So we lift you high. It's Yahweh, Yahweh.